And come sit with me? And come sit with me? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come sit. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come sit with me. Come sit with Auntie. Come sit with Auntie. Come sit with Auntie.
Jordan, what are you doing, Jasmine? Come here, buddy.
Come on, come sit with Auntie.
Trying to get Sissy's weird faces.
Jordan.
Come here, baby.
Jordan. Jasmine. Jordan.
Quiet.
Jasmine. What are you doing? Jordan. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What's with your weird face?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come see Auntie. Come see Auntie. Come see Auntie.
Jordan, come here.
Come see Auntie.
Come see Mommy.
It figures when you try to get something good about her doing, and then she goes.
He starts barking.
Come here. Come here. Come see Auntie. Come see Auntie.
What is a weird face of Jazzy?
Come here. Come here.
What are you doing? She's trying to say hi to you. Go see Aunt Nina.
Come here. Come here.
Don't be rude.
Come
Come
here.
here, Jordan. Come see Mommy.
Jordan.
Okay, I know you can talk, but don't talk back. She's trying to say hi to you.
Come here. Jordan. Come here.
Knock it off. I have a headache. What's with that weird look? Jordan! I heard my own head yelling just now. Hey, Papa. What's the matter? I just tried to take you inside.
Are you talking to me? Are you telling me something? What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you
She's
telling me?
moving around so much,
Come
it's hard
here.
to catch it.
What are you telling me? Come here.
She's like, I know you're filming me. Yeah, that's why I don't like giving you kisses. Oh, all right. What'd I just tell you? No bark. Jordan?